So we just drove to the neighbor's house, and we're letting their dog out, and we drove on a golf cart. No. No biting. I'm going to show you the boys. This is Blue. Hey baby. Hey baby. Special boy. Hi. Hi baby. Hey Lego. Hey baby. He's very hormonal. Are you handsome? Are you handsome? Yeah? You're handsome? You're handsome. You're the handsomest. And this is Stormy, the best kitten of the year. This is Rex, who's new. I haven't met him before. Hey Rex. Hey. And this is Skippy John Jones. With your pretty blue eyes. Man is Merlin. Merlin. Hey baby. Now I'll show you the babies. Hi. This is their mama, Diamond Mary. You a pretty girl. You a pretty girl. Come on, let me see your babies. Let me see your babies. Look at the pretty babies. Oh. 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 Those are pretty. And over here are three. This is Artie. There you are. He's the best cat in the world, literally. He's the #1 cat internationally. He's gorgeous. Are you blue-eyed white? I'm pretty sure you're a blue-eyed. Yep, he's a blue-eyed white. And I don't know their names, but one of them's Riri. The one on the right is Riri. He's having kittens soon, so hopefully I'll get a vlog of that. Alright. Here, I remember taking this. Baby.